Sorry?
I had a problem with the carburetor on it. It was shit carburetor.
Alright.
Totally shit. But now I've got a new one on it. This might need a bit of tweaking, this one. This is, but yeah, this is where you're going to go. You get one of these, you get a basher.
Yeah. I did.
Type,
Yeah.
or you convert it to a buggy. But it's, once you've done one, you can do the other, can't you?
So what's the engine here? 23?
32.
32, alright.
Yeah, you kind of nothing smaller than this. 32. In this, see how heavy, this thing is so fucking heavy.
Yeah.
I mean, it is so heavy.
Yeah.
But it's heavy in a different way, you know? Because now it only weighs about, probably about 14 kilos now.
Alright.
13. But when they're loaded up with a big body on the big truck,
Yeah.
nearly 20. Not far from 20.
Mm.
So you need a big engine really to
Yeah,
get
to
them
spin
going.
those four
Yeah.
wheels, yeah.
Yeah, you need plenty of power to run these. So 32 would be the smallest I'd put in here.
I didn't do too much upgrades on the engine at all. Only what I did, it's only the exhaust pipe. I did put it in, and DTM, the clutch shoes with 7,000 RPM spring.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, and what else? Oh yeah, the same steer and all those ones I installed.
Everyone else does, yeah.
Yeah, just trying to do something. Whoa! Too sharp. Yeah, he's going pretty well.
Hey?
He's going pretty well.
Yeah, but it's full of one.
Oh, alright.
And I've got a four-wheel drive version of that as well, haven't I?
Yeah.
I've got to get two new front shafts. Right? They come in. Just from Germany, that's the problem. Fucking 2 weeks.
I think engine is really alive, like really responsive.
Yeah.
It just goes.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And this gearing is very high as well for this. But it's got so much power that you can put it.
Yeah.
If I put the 20 here in, it just spins forever.
Yeah, really
So
good.
light as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it is really, really light. Yeah, let me start my own. Back. Yeah.
Normal one.
Yeah, the stock one.
Yeah, I'm running the 990, which is chokeless.
Oh, alright.
So you have to put the fucking out of it.
Uncover this guy.
no traction.
That's what I love in it.
The back was having no traction. Mate, for steering, though, did it make any difference?
Well, yeah, because earlier on I had those skinny ones, there was no steering at all.
That's one skinny down the front. They're not much different really, my wheels are all the same size really.
Yeah.
This is really ultra wide, you know.
Yeah. I might have to swap the front ones to the back and back to the front because the trim is bigger now at the front.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. You can see the blocks are smaller than the front. Like he's drunk. Kurwa, you scared me. Sorry?
When it blows up, change it.
Yeah, of course. I always upgrade. Well, I'm not upgrading stuff that are good. When something breaks, I always, you know.
I've got indoors though.
Yeah.
I've got a 26, right? It's an R engine 4-bolt, right?
Yeah.
In my workshop, yeah.
Yeah.
If you was to buy a 29, exit, you can bolt it straight on.
You see?
Yeah, I sold it. I was going to sell it to Paul, but he didn't want it.
Like this engine 30 and a half you showed me, it goes pretty well. I think I might put it over here.
That's 350 quid. That's alright, see?
Yeah, it goes pretty well.
As I said, until it dies, you can't do it.
Yeah. What?
That's some piece of kit, I must say.
Thank you.
Jesus Christ, man. Sounds like a Formula 1 engine.
It does, right?
Yeah.
You should hear his one, the bigger one. He have a big ball one. Oh, it's much faster.
Do you race them? Do you have races like?
Yeah, we have a group called West London Bashers on Facebook. You can check it out.
Okay.
and we do bash meets like over here. Behind that football field, there is like a slope down, and there is another field.
Yeah.
Well, we're supposed to today do a bash meet in Slough, because sometimes we post where we're gonna race. Yeah, this week we have a bash meet over here, over here, over here. And in Slough, the guy said it's gonna start training about 11, 12 o'clock. So me and my friend, my colleague from West London, Ashes, we live not far away, so we said let's go have a run over here, because it says in Ealing it's gonna rain at 2 o'clock. So
You can't do it in the rain, obviously.
oh, we sometimes we do.
Yeah.
You know, all cars are covered in mud and stuff.
Oh, man. That's serious though, but it looks really good though. It's
Thanks,
fun as
man.
well.
Sorry?
It looks really fun.
Looks fun and it looks expensive as well.
Oh, yeah. It goes without saying, isn't it?
Sorry?
It goes without saying. It's an expensive hobby.
Yeah, it is. It is expensive hobby, but you know, it keeps you occupied.
Yeah. Sometimes you need a release, right?
Yes, so true.
Weekend release. Right.
You're into RCs?
Not really, but I just like them. I like Formula One, so
Well, yeah.
that brings me to Formula One.
Yeah.
You know that, man.
Well, you should check it out, the
Called again?
West London Bashes.
Bashers.
Yeah.
So why bashers? Do you bash against each other, or is it just racing?
Yeah, we bash it.
Or is it bashing?
Yeah. We race,
Yeah.
and bashing is something you can't avoid.
You can't avoid it.
No, you will bash your car.
I'll check it out.
All right, no worries, mate.
Nice one.